I have bought the cheapest intercooler I could find on eBay for the Mark III Golf with the 1.8 turbo 20 valve engine. You'll see I've kind of temporarily bodged a cone filter on just because. But in terms of pipe work, currently we have coming out of the KO3 turbo into a crossover pipe and then into thin air. And that's the throttle body. So as you can see, we're not getting any boost because there's big empty space. Intercooler, more pipe work comes down there, intercooler will live there, pipe work will come up there, behind there, up into there, sucky sucky, boosty boosty, lots of power. So let's see what we get in the box. Right, we get, I'm guessing that is the intercooler. Let's grab a knife and have a look. Nope, that's all my pipe work. Shiny pipes, joiners, clamps. Don't think that is anything in particular of any use. That is lots of packaging that can live in the box. Which means this must be my shiny intercooler. More polystyrene. World's worst invention. Go back in there. Shiny. Only a small one. Can upgrade it at a later date if I need to. That will live probably quite low there, I would have thought. The way around there, probably that way around. I'll have a look at the mounting brackets there, so figure that out. And then that'll run so much nicer. This top crossover pipe fits quite well. I haven't got the joiner for there. I thought it was one of the ones in the kits, but I think they've sent me one too many of the reducers and one too few of the straight connectors, but that's not a problem, I can deal with that. I've got to find somewhere for this hose to go because there's not an outlet up there, but again there's plenty of places I can make that work. Then comes on the 90-ish degree bend, comes down here, down in front of the starter motor. I've left this off the motor just to show you, but this pipe will go bottom of the intercooler there, bottom of that pipe, and then down into the intercooler. I have had to cut out a section of this front panel, radiator support panel, on that side and also down here for the outlets there. And then this one here comes up to there. You've got your boost pressure sensor screwed in the bottom there. My original hose I actually cut up for some reason, but I have found the bit I have left, and I found this other hose that actually fits quite well. I just need to put a joiner in the middle of that and obviously clamp it on, and that will be the whole intake for the Mark III. So in theory then that's all done. Front end can all go back together. Intercooler mount, that's the other thing I haven't shown you. So these are the brackets that come with the mount. There's I think 2 of these straight brackets, 2 90 degree and 2 that are like a Z shape. And I found that because I'm not using the original intercooler, I can just use that to support it. It is at a bit of an angle, you can see, and then underneath I've actually put these brackets on here, and I've got some screws that I'm going to screw straight up into the plastic there, which is quite solid. It's a nice solid piece of plastic, and that works quite well. So I've had to take them out for the time being, so I had to take the cross member back off, the slam pan, the crash bar, and as you can see here I've had to modify it slightly with a large hammer, and I think I'm going to have to do the same here. Shouldn't affect the structure of it too much, and yeah, that should now then fit on quite nicely at the front there.